Greetings from the New York ITS, that is the International Travel Show, held at the Jacob J. Javits Convention Center in Hudson Yards. I love New York, and it is autumn season, and I tell you that because there is more than one travel show in this area. So this is the autumn one. Here's a quick preview. You can try some Brazilian coffee. They've got tastings. If we head over to the left, you can see a lot about the United States of America. Here is the international section, where it looks like Brazil is our highlighted country. I Love New York has a whole pavilion out. Did get a chance to stop by there. New Jersey Port Authority is here talking about the new LGA, LaGuardia Airport. Very friendly people at that booth, I might add, giving us all of the information about changes, about how to get to LaGuardia Airport. I Love New York is here. They're filling up the booth. Again, this is just the preview. And I love this map because many people think they visited New York when they saw Times Square, but look, you've got all these things. You've got Central New York, the Adirondacks, and my favorite, especially for this time of year, the Hudson Valley. Don't forget Connecticut, great neighbors to have. Hudson Valley, Sleepy Hollow, the Headless Horseman is having big events in the autumn. One's not to miss. Okay, so we're talking a lot, but what actually happens? You can go up to these booths if you are a travel representative, which is happening today, and set up your negotiations on how to help people schedule trips. Real Caribbean, again, if you want to do like a great group trip, if you are a travel consultant, you'll be able to speak with them directly. Sweet Home Alabama is here, and you can get gift bags. So when you're in Alabama, you've got a really cool Alabama bag. Now, what happens on retail day? That happens on Saturday. There's another event that happens here where the public comes in. And at that point, it's the really fun day. That's when all the spin the wheel things happen. You get to speak to the people of Cuba. Sometimes they have musicians coming in representing that country. Jamaica is giving out some really cool Jamaica bracelets. Again, it looks really quiet because a lot of people are in workshops. This is an industry day. BVI is here, that's British Virgin Islands. Ghana is here. This section is celebrating all about Africa. And you can meet with people who live there. I stopped at the table, maybe they're still here, the table from Newfoundland, and asked them, do I really need to come during autumn foliage, or is your spring warm enough to enjoy? The Stoli group is here. And that is just a quick preview of the International Travel Show. Again, this man is trick-or-treating. They've got candy out on the table. Trick-or-treat. Oh, they're still here. Great. Here's a little bonus clip. This was my favorite booth that I visited. Newfoundland. Can we check in real fast? Hi, welcome to New York. What is your favorite thing about Newfoundland?
The people.
The people? What makes the people so special?
Very friendly, very open, very accommodating. Will be your friend by the time you leave.
And that's why this is my favorite booth. That's where she's from. Your favorite thing about Newfoundland? And you helped me pronounce it correctly.
You did?
I was saying Newfoundland. It's Newfoundland, like Disneyland.
Exactly. Just beautiful coastal scenery, the ocean. It's just absolutely amazing.
Now, Canada is known for the leaf, and I said, do you have to visit during fall foliage? And you said no, correct?
You can come. I mean, we have wonderful whale watching. We have icebergs come down Newfoundland. We have seabirds. There's so much to see and do.
Now, when you talk about going to Newfoundland, people think you're going to a different country. How different is Newfoundland than mainland Canada?
Well, Newfoundland used to be its own country.
Yeah.
It's a unique destination. It's fabulous. The people are great. The culture is great. The scenery is great. I mean, it's just unique.
And I learned about this location right here. Can we talk about what that is? Because I haven't been yet.
That is within Grossmorn. It's called Western Brook Pond. Was a glacier, and there's wonderful hiking and
boat tours, and plenty to do around it. It's beautiful.
And they had no idea I was coming back. That's how nice the people are there. And this is what you can experience at the New York International Travel Show. Pleasure. Till next time.